Hello my lovely, welcome back to my channel. Finally, I hope I still remember how I need to film, but I am going to play with some new Lisa Eldridge. I've got the box right here. I got 3 lipsticks, I got the liquid blush and I got the liquid highlighter, so I'm so excited. Let's dive in. And if this is your first time here, then hi, welcome. My name is BeautybyAnneChris and on my channel I want to inspire you to use a little bit of color every day. I create colorful looks like this, but I also try to keep them a little bit more wearable, a little bit more elegant, so you can actually wear them to work, your in-laws, but play with color every day because I really think it can give you so much joy, and I hope you get some inspirations by the looks I am doing right here. I mainly use high-end and indie brands on my channel. So if this sounds like your jam, if you want to be a part of the community right here, then please consider subscribing because I would love to have you here. I try to upload 2 times a week, so there's always something fun to watch. I have this beautiful little pouch right here. I think if you ordered 3 lippies, then you got a bag, and I didn't have this one yet. I have like the summer one, the one I think she launched with first, the turquoise one. I have it's normally over there, it's a blue velvet one, and now I have this one. And I think they are so elegant and pretty, and I love to take them with me when I go on vacation and, you know, store like smaller makeup stuff in there, maybe some brushes, stuff like that. So I love them. Everything is in here, and I think I'm just going to start off with the liquid blush because, as you can see, I'm wearing foundation, but I'm not wearing any highlighter or blush. So I really want to dive into that because I have a bit of a naked face, man, and it doesn't really jive with me. Alright, this is the blush. I got it in the shade Dante's Dream. I think this is not the lightest one by any means. This is the color. It looks really nice. It has like more of a like brownie vibe to it, as if, yeah, I don't know. It's really pretty. I really love the packaging. It's really sleek. You twist off the top. There's a little, ooh, it looks really nice, really well made. I'm going to take a little palette and I'm going to put just like a dot on there, like yay much. Let's try this. Okay, I'm a little, you know, the thing is, it can go really wrong. Okay, I'm going to take a sponge and I'm just going to dab it in, like really like so, tapping it off on my hand. Ooh, this is really beautiful. Okay, and then I'm going to just dab. Oh, but wow. Yeah, wow. And I'm going to put a little bit over here, just to rest. What I think is really nice is that it's like, you know, it's pigmented. Yeah, no. But you saw how I went in. Wow. This is really, I love the shade as well. It blends out really nicely. I'm going to take the bum now. There's no product on the bum of the sponge. This is like really that flush from within kind of color. Look at the difference. I'm going to, I don't know if I have to hurry to blend it out. I don't think you should leave it on for like hours and hours on end without blending it out, but you don't have to hurry as much either. Wow, this is really pretty, right? This is a really pretty color. I'm going to add a little bit more because it's on camera and you have to see. That's always a thing. It's also, if you have a Zoom meeting or MS Teams, I don't know what you're using, then it's really handy to just have a little bit more blush on because you look a little bit more alive, basically. It looks really nice. I really love this shade. Dante's Dream, it's called. Dante's Dream. It's really pretty. It's so nice. And it's not too much, at least I don't think so. I love a little bit of a blush thing moment. I'm going to put a little bit on my nose. I know not a lot of people do that, but I love that. Just on my nose, just a titsy. Wow. It looks really beautiful. I think the shade is very flattering. It blends out really nicely, even though it looks really dark. But wow, and you don't have to hurry with the blending, so that is a good thing. All right, let's jump into the highlighter now. This is the box that it comes in. And I got it in the shade Cosmic Rose, and that is one shade deeper, I think, than the lightest one. Because I think it's nice if you have a highlighter that is very similar or very close to your own skin tone. So it doesn't like shining up to the high heavens and you have like a beam of highlight and maybe some cast. I don't really like that. Although I do really love those like weird ones from Kaleidos. I love those. This is the packaging. It's a glass bottle. Look how pretty. Oh, let me do the YouTuber thing. Very pretty. The cap is like a matte gold. It's very elegant and sophisticated. Okay. Okay, you screw it. Oh, it's a dofa. Or dofa. Dofa? Dofa? And this is like how it's looking. Let me swatch this. Ooh, it's very liquidy. It's very... Okay. Going to tap it out. Oh, it goes a very long way. So there's a lot on the dofa. You have to really be careful with that. It's like basically all over my hand. But the shade is really nice. The shade is really pretty. Okay, well, I also want to do this with my sponge. So I'm going to put a little bit on my palette again, because I don't yay much. I'm just going to start with something like this, because I don't want to have like a beaming highlight. I don't need to. Okay, I'm going to take this side because it's clean, and I'm going to just take it on the point. Okay, like so. Not too close. Oh wow, it's like just a wet looking. Wow, do you see? Very pretty. Very pretty. I'm going to put some here. It's not like I took almost everything, and I think I can add more. It's more like it's like a wet look on your, it's not even on your skin. It's not even like that you really see any pigment or anything. It's not as thick as the Hollywood Flawless filter by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to just take the same amount for the other side now. Something like this. Because I think because it's such a wet formula, you can also see it on my hand. It's like, is it wet or is it a highlighter? You see? Let me show you properly. You see, it's like you have very healthy, like very moisturized skin instead of, wow, there's an highlight over there. I love cream products like this. Wow. And it is different from the Hollywood Flawless filter, because I feel like the Hollywood Flawless filter has more like a shimmer to it than this one. This is just a wet look. It gives you that like a natural sheen, but really, really pretty. Some little bit on the top of my nose. But there isn't like a lot of what I said. Like, it's really as if I put some, not Vaseline, because that would be not paying tribute to this product. I think it looks really stunning because it's a very, very natural sheen. It's not like, oh, she's wearing a highlighter. It's the same with the blush. It's very natural. Girl. She did a thing. Then I have the 3 lipsticks. I got 3. I have Kitten Mischief, Spirited Away, and Dance Card. And I didn't want to get them all because I think, I won't use them all. So I'm not going to buy them all. I got 3. I got the 3 I think will look really pretty. These are in that luxuriously lucent formula. It's the same as the Go Lightly. I also have the Go Lightly. I really love that. I'm going to start off with Spirited Away. It is such beautiful packaging. I think this is also the darkest one I got. Look at that embossing. It's so beautiful. Okay, I zoomed you in a teensy bit so you can better see what I'm doing. Okay, this is Spirited Away. I'm not going to line my lips. I'm just going to... There's nothing on there anymore. Okay, this is a beautiful shade. Beautiful. This is really that, like, your lips look better in a very, it reminds me a little bit of that Muse, the Velvet Muse she has. It's just in a very balmy type of formula. It's really nice. It's really comfortable on the lips. I don't think you can go wrong with a lip shade like this. It's it's something it's just a staple. It's just a staple color and I love it. It's really beautiful. I'm going to go into Kitten Mischief next. It's such a nice, the packaging is so cool. It's like a magnetic lotion. I love that. Okay, this is the shade. It is really beautiful. I think it's a little lighter than the one I just used, the Spirited Away. But look at that. It's so stunning. It has more of like a browner color. Oh yeah, it's way lighter. It's very natural, extremely natural. It is a little less pink than the Spirited Away color, but I really love this one as well. It's more neutral toned. Really beautiful. Really stunning. I love this. Wow. It's such an easy color to wear with like any eye look you're doing. And especially if you're like me and you like to wear like colorful makeup, this is a beautiful one to wear. Because it will fit a lot of looks. It's really nice. If you don't want to go like overboard, normally I just try to, if I have a very dark eye like I am having today, then I try to make my lips look a little bit more natural, a little bit more neutral, and something like that would be great. Great. Because if I'm honest, I'm not really good at combining like the eye look to the lips, and I have a lot of natural neutral type of shades. Alright, then the last one is Dance Card. And Dance Card is that more corally shade. And I think this is beautiful with the shirt I'm wearing today because it's like a corally shade as well. So this is the one I think I'm going to wear all day. The funny thing is it is a little bit tuggy at the beginning, but they warm up so fast. I think a lip liner would have been handy. It is a little bit more corally than the Kitten Mischief one, but not by much. So still, it is very neutral, very natural, very stunning. I love this one as well. It's really beautiful. It's just that I don't think that there is a lot of difference between the colors. It's just that it's slightly pinker than the other one. The other one is slightly more neutral and this one is slightly more corally. Very pretty though, I have to say. Okay, and that is it for this video today. I think practically everything is sold out again. I'm so sorry, my video is a little bit later than the other ones were, but you know, if it comes to Lisa, you really have to set your alarm. Follow her on Instagram because then you will get the scoop and the latest when it comes to her restocking and launching new stuff. So yeah, but I am really happy with the stuff I got this time. These are very beautiful products and I don't regret a thing. Okay ladies, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already because I would love to see you in my next one. Bye!